tayong kumain ng breakfast, tapos na tayo makapagluto. So ngayon, dahil tingnan nyo naman, parang mainit naman yung panahon, gagawa tayo ng snow ice cream. Guest tayo ngayon, si Shiela. So may YouTube channel din siya, pero inimbita natin para gumawa ng snow ice cream ngayon. Shiela, come on! Woo! Ang init, guys! So ano bang unang gagawin natin para gumawa ng snow ice cream?
So, first, syempre, kailangan natin ng ice. Which is, timing naman kasi today, nag-snow. So, libre yung ice natin. So, ayun na. Start na natin.
Start mag-scoop.
Mag-scoop na ako
Sa
ng...
ibabaw lang, wag po kayong mag-scoop sa ilalim.
Kailangan may lagay
ibabaw?
dito?
Yes. And then you mix everything.
I-mix natin everything here.
Yes. Sobrang init ngayon kaya.
Oh my God. Let's make sure na...
Kaya mag-snow ice cream tayo.
Kaya nga. Girl, I like your outfit today.
Napapawisan ako. Tagal! Napapawisan ako. Grabe.
Okay. Alright.
And I guess you need to add more because
More?
maano siya.
More?
Punuin mo kaya.
Okay. Sabi more eh. More. Here.
Oh,
Oh my God! I can't wait to taste it.
Ayan na.
Lagyan pa natin ng konti.
Oh, sige.
Tadan! Okay. And then next,
Ano bang next natin?
kahit saan naman, pero siguro, oh my God! Nakakainit! Ang init ng panahon. Ayun, naglagay na tayo ng condensed milk. Ano ba yan ang hangin?
Mahangin ka. Lagay na rin natin to.
Ayaw lumabas, guys. Masyado yatang
Takot.
takot.
Basta mo buksan ko.
Ha? Hindi okay lang yan. Basta yan nga, lagyan nyo lang ng condensed milk at saka...
Oh, mamaya na yung sprinkle dito
Oh.
na.
Okay. So,
So,
mamaya na.
Ihalo-halo mo na siya.
Oh,
So, kulang pa niyan.
halo-halo na. Oh my
Ah,
God.
ganun.
O, ikaw na habang naglalagay ko. Ang sarap naman tingnan.
Oh,
Oh my God, you're wasting it. It's like
malamig.
$1. You're wasting $1.
I wish you're vanilla. Do we have vanilla?
Yeah, let me get the flavor. I have vanilla and I have candle. Okay. Just keep going.
We shovel this whole thing. You know what I mean, boob?
Yes. Oh, thank you. So let's use vanilla. And then, buksan ko muna ng...
Vanilla kami na dyan.
Bubuksan ko lang ng... Ay! Maigi yung condensed milk. So, ayan. Nakalimutan ko may pagbukas pala naman.
Just use a can opener.
I know! You know, in Philippines, we use
Your teeth?
no, not the... We use this to open the can. Because, you know, in my country, we don't have a can opener. Especially in the province. And can opener is for lazy people.
Oh, yeah. I think it's for the safe people.
I know, I'm just kidding. Yeah, okay.
Babe, just get a can opener. For when you guys cut your fingers off.
Okay, can opener, please. Woo. Oh my God. I love it. Hawakan siya. Yeah, so I was saying earlier in Philippines, we don't have a can opener. need it. Oh, it's working.
So what are you guys making?
This is ice cream. And then now you can put, did you put the vanilla
Not
already?
yet.
Oh,
So,
the vanilla extract?
vanilla extract. Ah!
Jeez.
I mean, I love vanilla. I love vanilla, okay? Don't judge me.
Alright, let's try our ice cream.
Yay!
And then the sprinkle
Oh,
should
the
be on the
sprinkle.
top.
Oh my god, the weather is really nice.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yes,
We should go to the beach. We should go to the lake. We should go fishing.
right.
Let's go fishing, Mahal.
Let's
Let's
get
go
some trout.
fishing. There you go.
Yay!
Picture it, Sam.
That does look pretty good.
Press stop pa.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Go ahead and try it. Ooh.
Oh my god. I want more.
Yeah.
It's so good, babe. You wanna try it?
Yeah, I'll try a little piece.
Here. It needs more flavor.
I want more condensed milk. I can't wait for you. I wanna eat this now, okay? I'll try it.
Masarap.
It's really good, but I want more condensed milk. I love the vanilla flavor. And yung snow, masarap siya.
Di ba? Ano, smooth.
Mm. It's really good.
Sarap, di ba?
Mm.